Why? By Vaccaro Seeger. Why? Asked the rabbit. Because flowers need water to grow, said the bear. Why? Because they are very far away. Why? Because it tastes so good. Why? Because I ate too much. Why? Because I'm way too big to fit. Why? Why? Gravity? Why? Because they are flying south for winter. Why? 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 I don't know why. Sometimes I just don't know why. Don't go, said the rabbit. Why? Asked the bear. Because then I would miss my friend. That's why. The end.